Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Y'all, the phone numbers are in the description below. Please get those phone numbers and call them every day. As to the switchboard at the White House, they will put you in touch with any member of the House, any senator, any congressman, even Donald Trump's office. You won't talk to Donald Trump, but you will talk to one of his aides. Blow those numbers up and don't be nice. The $2,000 plus stimulus. You know, for a long time I said I was looking forward to a $2,000 stimulus. I'm past that. I'm looking for better than $2,000 now, and I feel confident that we will get it. It's just when? And how many hoops do we have to jump through? And they're still taking their time. But check this out. The feds just bailed out Wall Street again. Here's a few of the companies that they bailed out. AT&T with $16.4 million. Coca-Cola, $6.6 million. Boeing, $7.6 million. Exxon, $5.1 million. Ford, $7.9 million. Walmart, $8.7 million. Philip Morris, you know, the tobacco company, the one that's killing people, $6.2 million. When will they bail us out? They bail out all these companies all the time. When will they bail us out? And Walmart, really? Y'all, it's just a few more days until they go out for recess. But you know, I've always been taught that you have to work before you can go out to recess. They're taking time off without working. Larry Kudlow told CNBC that he is watching the numbers very closely, and he thinks closing down and slowing down is a good idea right now. Larry also said that things are not as bad as they were back in March. I wonder, where is he looking? He must be looking in his own bank account. He sure ain't looking in mine. He goes on to say their main objective is getting people back to work. Hello? Isn't that what everybody wants? But where in the hell are the jobs? Remember, he's the one that just now said in the same interview that he thinks it's a good thing to slow down and close down again. If you do that, how is people going to get back to work? Larry also said that restaurant owners are telling him that it's hard to rehire people because they make more money on unemployment than they do when they go to work. I don't buy this at all. This is a ploy to shift blame from them and put it back on the restaurant owners when it didn't happen. I don't believe restaurant owners are telling him this. I don't buy it. They're trying to get the blame off of them. On the digital dollars I told you about yesterday, I was thinking, wouldn't it be nice if behind the scenes the feds are setting up these bank accounts right now, and the very day that the Senate goes out to recess, they fund all these bank accounts with the stimulus money? That would send a loud message to the Senate that we don't need them. We can get by without them. That would be awesome. I don't think it would happen, but I would love it if it did. Y'all, Mooch McConnell is not listening to what the people needs. And this is proof positive that he don't care what the people needs. Because if he cared, he would listen. Y'all, if we don't get nothing else done, we got to get him out of office. He is not fit to be in that office. Y'all know what I'm about to say. It don't sound quite right, but hear me out. BLM and Antifa doing what they're doing. I'm not saying it's right. I'm not saying it's wrong. But they're getting their voices heard. We're sitting back doing what we think is right, and nobody, like Mooch McConnell, nobody hears us. Maybe we need to do what Antifa and BLM are doing. Maybe we need to take to the streets. It's just a thought. Maybe we get heard. Y'all, the longer they wait to get this package done, the closer we're going to be to Election Day. And the more stimulus will be needed. They could help us in the long run, but we got to get there first. And I know it's tough for most people because they don't have money in reserve. But if we can manage to get to that point, I think they're going to be forced to give us even more, because they know it's close to election and they're going to be out of office. If they don't, they're going to have to give us something big, and they know it, or else they will be out of office. And what's the biggest thing with politicians? Their pride. They don't want to go down in defeat. Their pride is the biggest thing about them. So I think this is going to work out in our best interest, but it's going to take a while. They're proving they don't care about going out to recess without getting anything done. You know, Nancy Pelosi yesterday demanded that they get it done before they go out to recess. That fell on dead ears because they don't care. As long as they get what they want, the hell with us. But we've got the Trump card in November. We can vote them out of office. Y'all, please call those numbers every day. Get your voices heard. And if we have to take to the streets, maybe we will. Only time will tell. But BLM and Antifa are sure getting their message out, and people hear them. So maybe that's our next move. Y'all, I make these videos every morning at 6 a.m. They go live. Please subscribe to my channel. Please give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down, leave your comments, and come back every morning. I love you all. Stay safe. We will get out of this smelling like a rose. I know we will. We're Americans. That's what we do. I love y'all. Ciao.